Good morning to all. This is binomial distribution. Already I have told you what is binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is P x equal to R NCR P की power R Q की power n minus R, where you have the probability of R success in n trial. You have here we are taking here two parameters and P, where n the number of trials and P is the discrete probability distribution of the number of success in a sequence of n independent experiment. And P is the probability of success, Q is probability of failure. So already you know very well NCR P की power R Q की power n minus R. This is the formula of binomial distribution, and by the help of binomial distribution we can find the value of mean of binomial distribution. The formula of binomial distribution is PR equal to NCR P की power R Q की power n minus R. The mean value of binomial distribution is R equal to 0 to n R dot PR. Probability is multiplied by R, then it becomes mean of the binomial distribution, and R goes from 0 to n into R dot what is the value of PR. Probability of binomial distribution is NCR P की power R Q की power n minus R. Now substitute R equal to 0. This value is R equal to 0 to n, that's why we are taking here R equal to 0 1 2 3 4. So when we substitute R equal to 0, then this value R dot NCR NCR P की power Q की power n minus R, the first value is 0, plus when you substitute R equal to 1, then this is 1 dot NC1 P की power 1 Q की power n minus 1, plus when you substitute here R equal to 2, then this is 2 dot NC2 P की power 2 Q की power n minus 2, and in the last you substitute R equal to n, so that's why here n dot NCN P की power n Q की power n minus n. What is the value of NC1? NC1 is P. The value of NC1 is P. Formula of NCR is factorial n upon factorial R factorial n minus R. So that's why it becomes NC1 is NC1, the value of NC1 is n, and P की power 1 as it is Q की power n minus 1. The value of NC2 is n minus 1 upon में 2, and the value of NCN is 1, and P की power n Q की power n minus n is 0, so Q की power 0 is 1, so therefore this value is NC1 P dot Q की power n minus 1 and plus 2 dot NC2 P square Q की power n minus 2 and n dot P की power n. NP is outside the bracket, and this value is Q की power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 P dot Q की power n minus 2 plus in the last P की power n minus 1. And here there are two formula, x plus a की power n. This expansion you know very well, nc0 x की power n plus nc1 x की power n minus 1 plus dot a and plus dot dot dot. Here I have the value of q in the place of x and the value of p in the place of a, so that's why I can write this value q की power n minus 1. I can write this n minus 1 c0 q की power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 c1, because the value of n minus 1 c1 is n minus 1, and in the last n minus 1 c n minus 1, this value is 1 and p की power n minus 1. So this is the formula of q plus p की power n minus 1. The probability p plus q is always 1. So this value becomes 1 की power n minus 1. 1 की power n minus 1 is 1. So therefore the value of mean is n dot p. तो binomial distribution का mean का formula n dot p. Second, we find variance of the binomial distribution. Variance of the binomial distribution is sigma r equal to 0 to n r square पी आर माइनस सिग्मा आर पी आर का होल स्क्वायर. This is the variance of the formula. And now here r goes from 0 to n, and this value r square pr we can write this is r minus 1 plus में r, because when we multiply r in this bracket this becomes r square minus r, and this r is cancelled from this plus r, so that's why again this becomes r square pr. That's why we can write this value to simplify this summation r minus 1 plus r outside the bracket pr minus the value of rpr. Rpr is mean of the binomial distribution. Already we have proved it. This is the value of mean of binomial distribution is np ka whole square. In the third bracket, in the third line, this value r equal to 0 to n, and now open this bracket, this value is r minus 1 pr plus r pr minus में np का whole square, and again this value becomes rpr. This is mean of binomial distribution. We can write this value, this is np minus np का whole square. Now this value r equal to 0 to n, therefore when we substitute r equal to 0, then this value becomes 0, because r is in the product of r minus 1. The first step is 0. When we substitute r equal to 1, then r minus 1 when we substitute here r equal to 1, again this is 0. And third value, when you substitute r equal to 1, this is 0, r equal to 2, r equal to 2 means 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 2 into nc2 p square q की power n minus 2 plus 3 dot 2 into nc3 p cube into q की power n minus 3, and in the last when you substitute here r equal to n, and this value is n minus 1 ncn p की power n q की power n minus n, q की power n minus n is q की power 0, this is 1. Again ncn is 1, and this value is plus में np minus np का whole square. Now the value of nc2, the value of nc2 is factorial n upon factorial 2 factorial n minus 2, and the value of nc3 is factorial n upon factorial 3 factorial n minus 3, and in the last I have told you that the value of ncn is 1, and this is n minus 1 p की power n as it is. And in the next line, this value is expansion n minus 1, you can take the common, and this will cancel factorial n minus 2. Here n, the value of factorial n is n factorial n minus 1, and the value of factorial n minus 1 is n minus 1 factorial n minus 2. Again the value of factorial n minus 2, you can take the common n minus 2, this becomes factorial n minus 3. So factorial n minus 3 factorial n minus 3 cancel, and this value is n minus 1 n minus 2 upon में this value. Now you can take the common n minus 1 p square, n minus 1 p square, n minus 1 p square. So that's why here I am taking common n minus 1 p square. This value is q की power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 p q की power n minus 3, and in the last p की power n minus 2 plus np and minus np का whole square as it is. And now n minus 1 p square, the value of this q की power n minus 2 and p की power n minus 2, तो formula q plus p की power n minus 2, this becomes the expansion of x plus a की power n minus x plus a की power n. So here I have q plus p की power n minus 2 plus np minus में n square p square. Now q plus p again 1 की power n minus 2 is again 1, and this value is n minus 1 p square is n square p square minus np square प्लस में एन पी माइनस में एन स्क्वायर पी स्क्वायर, माइनस में एन स्क्वायर पी स्क्वायर कैंसिल, प्लस में एन स्क्वायर पी स्क्वायर, and I am taking here np is common. This is 1 minus p. 1 minus p is q, because you know very well p plus q equal to 1. So that's why here the variance of binomial distribution is npq.